Hey guys, we're back out on the water. I'm here with my girlfriend Sarah, who's coming out for the ride today. Today we're back up in Dyers Bay. We're going to make our way up towards Tobermory, explore up from there to the Bruce Peninsula National Park. So, calling for a beautiful day out here. Supposed to be smoking hot, so a good place to be on the water. So let's just head out and have a good time on this adventure. Let's go. Guys, I'm gonna take my mask off. So guys, this is the Winfield lighthouse. Usually it used to be you could come out and actually go up and see it, but they have it closed this year. But we're on one of the tips of the Bruce Peninsula, so there's nothing further east than where we are right now. Everything else kind of cuts back that way now. But you can see straight ahead of us, I don't know if you can see it, there's Bear Rump Island and like Flower Pot. And then out that way is Perry Sound, North Bay, French River, and all those things like that. So, all right, well, let's go check out Winfield Basin really quick. Alright guys, well we're now into Winfield Basin, where that famous wreck of the Gargantuan is, but also a great place for people to catch a little break from Georgian Bay and anchor up here. So, but we'll do a quick little lap of the Shipwreck, see how it's looking this year, and then keep making our way. I've never seen this much of the boat exposed like this. Look at that. Pipes in it and everything. Wow, I've never seen it this low. And here's the Beaver Lodge. Wow, this is incredible. You can still see the paint on it. Hey? There's the Beaver Lodge. Look at that. That's a bass. Hey there, bass. Looking right at us. Yeah. The one time I don't bring my fishing rod. There's another one. Look at that one. That one's even bigger. Fuckers. Look at that, eh? Oh, look at the bass in there. Right in there. All in the water there.
Much growth on the boat. Nature is reclaiming.
It's been reclaimed. Mm-hmm. Again, just another quick view of the anchorage here. Absolutely awesome. So if you're sailing or you need a respite, great place to be. All right, you ready?
Ready.
Morning, guys.
Way today.
How are ya?
Yeah, it's Force Sound.
There you go. How are ya?
Naked biker.
What's going on, buddy? I haven't seen you in a while.